In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Plus500. Now, when you access your account, currently as you can see, I'm on my demo account, but this is going to work on a real account as well. It's pretty much the same interface. And then over here on the left, you can go and select whatever you want to trade. So you could go and basically go to your watch list, the most popular, your, of course, different categories over here, or you could just search for an instrument up top. So for this example, we're going to go to all popular and click on Bitcoin over here. Now, when you click on that specific thing you want to trade, it's going to populate the chart down here at the bottom of your screen. And here at the top, of course, you can see sell and buy buttons as well as down here. So to actually trade, you want to use either the buy or sell button up top over here inside your instrument list or down here on your chart, whatever you prefer, okay? So no matter what you do, if you click on either the buy button over here or the sell button over here, it's going to open this right-hand side panel. But if you click on down here, it's going to do the exact same thing as you can see, okay? So let's now make a trade. You can either buy or sell, so you can select if you want to buy or sell, click and specify this, and then over here on the right, you can specify how many contracts you want to purchase. You could type it in manually or use the plus and minus button to actually specify. We're gonna go 0.001 right now, and then you can select if you want to close at profit or not, or if you want to close at loss or not, okay? So that's up to you, and you have some advanced options as well, which are like trailing stops, and then you could also buy at a specific rate. Now, that's of course pretty much all you have to do. You could go to info up top and kind of see everything and the plus insights and stuff like that. And whenever you want to place a trade, click on the buy button over here and you'll successfully buy. Now you can see your position over here. So this is basically the position I've bought right now. And then if you go to open positions here, you can also see you have an open position. So that's how you buy. And then if you want to sell, because of course trading usually consists of buying and selling, you can just close the position or click on the sell button over here, do the exact same thing over here, click on the sell button at the bottom, and that's going to place a sell order, okay? So that's how to trade on Plus500. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.